iron, enriched with at least 13% chromium and minimal amounts of other elements. A special mixture which makes the steel resistant to rust. The basis for our pocket knives. The birth of a legend, the Swiss Army knife.
Victorinox Swiss Army Pocket Knife Description, Functions and Specifications. The 3½ tinker was designed to be slim and lightweight. It easily slips into a pocket to be called upon when any number of appropriate tasks present themselves. As a mainstay in the Swiss Army knife collection, it will quickly become your go-to. Durable enough to last a lifetime, and guaranteed for it, the tinker includes all the implements needed for work and play. Whether you're simply moving through your day or journeying around the world, the Tinker pocket knife truly is the pocket knife for tinkerers on the move. While you never know what you'll encounter in your daily travels, you can be confident that you and your tinker will always be ready to build, hack, or fix anything life throws at you. Like all Swiss Army knives, the Tinker has a lifetime warranty, stainless steel implements and Swiss-made quality and durability. Victorinox features 12 functions to equip you for everyday adventures, including 2.45 large blade, small blade, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener with large screwdriver, and can opener with small screwdriver. See the video description for full list of features. Stainless steel construction encased in polished red ABS scales provides sleek durability. Compact design makes this the perfect knife for any outdoor activity including camping, fishing, or hiking, as well as handy for everyday uses around the house or office. Length, 3.58, 91 mm, height, 0.551, weight, 2.187 ounces. Made in Switzerland, Victorinox provides a lifetime guarantee against defects in material and workmanship. Victorinox Swiss Army Tinker Pocket Knife. Pros. Manages to pack a lot of tools into a package still light enough to carry in your pants. Versatile tool selection. Even comes with a fish scaler, excellent if you're an angler. Here we got only cons. No one-handed deployment. This is really good and worthy for its price. For more information take a look at the video description.